Hello my friends, spring is coming, so it's time to back to our Titanic lounge chairs, and as usually I will start on my jointer, and yes, quite thick sapelli species on my hands, quite heavy, so be patient. And one side is done, that's right. And of course I'm start from this machine, or maybe I should say it's second machine, because the first one is mostly a saw. Okay, template for this piece, and now please this cloudy dust. Yes, sorry, I forgot about dust collector, my fault. And now I'm changing to the thicknesser, and I think this work was quite good example for me that if you have solo machine, so one machine, how to say it? If you have solo machines, and then you swapped to two-in-one machine, then you realize that how much time you need to spend on changing the type of machine. So for me, maybe I should prepare this work a bit different, but okay, never mind. we must back to this template I'm working on now. It's piece of scrap, and like you see, I start drilling a hole. Then I will draw two lines to the center of this hole, to the pivot point, and then I can drill through the wood. Diameter is about 50 millimeters, 2 inches. Okay, it's done. And like you see, I need to prepare dust collector for the fence. For sure, it will help to clean this area. And now I will remove the marked square, because it's a template, yes. So in this cutted area I will put right piece of wood. Okay, and I can cut it now, and my template is done. So like you see, the sapelli is on the left side. Of course I need to clamp it because the diameter of drill is quite huge and is quite aggressive for snare bit, so it must be really tight to avoid any movement. And this way I know that all pieces will look the same. Of course, you can use bandsaw or router, or there is so many ways to do this. But I want to show you this way. Okay, and now for sure you need to be patient again and mark it right. So like you see, I'm using caliper and to get all how to say it, to be sure that all this line will damn, my English is sucks, I know. Okay, never mind. We can jump to another machine, and like you see, it's quite easy. If you have sharp drills, and for sure you must be sure, for sure you must be sure that these drills are really sharp, because or I should say, sorry, maybe chisel, because drill is inside. And I was found the Japanese chisels are the best one, so I'm really happy with work with them. Okay, and another piece and another template. I think it will be on back, or maybe no, this will be for seats, I think. Okay, so this time I will show you another type of work, or another type how to make these pieces quite fast. So first, of course, bandsaw, and we will remove the waste material outside the right one, and I will try to cut the pieces quite close to the pencil line. Of course, if you have good machine and sharp saw, you can cut two elements or three elements on one time. And now, like you see on the table, I've made quite fast and very simple jig, and I'm using a router. Of course, you need to have quite long router bit. Okay, and another huge piece of wood, piece of sapelli on jointer. Yeah, this piece, I think it's maybe 5 or 6 or maybe 7 kilograms, so it's quite heavy, and about 30 centimeters wide. Done. Yes, and like you see, on the middle was some not removed material, but you don't have to. If the piece is flat outside, it's okay. Done, and you can jump to the thicknesser. Yes, one hand, and please look on the pipe. It's 120 millimeters, and it's full of dust, really. Amazing machine. Okay, and now we can cut it through, and like you see, some burn marks on the wood. I know that the blade should have less teeth, but I'm lazy, sorry. I don't want to spend 2 minutes to change on changing blades. And on the dust collector, I've put some extra part to cut it on the edge, on the with pivot blades. And how to clean the burn marks on the edge? The easiest way is for sure the sharp Japanese plane. And another type of work. Now I'm keeping really on the pencil line, and if the blade is not very aggressive, the cutted edge is quite clean. So then we can jump to the next machine. Yes, you can use sanding. Sorry, how to call it this machine? Sander with the belt, yeah, something like this, and just couple passes, and it's done. Of course, you can use hand plane, or even sandpaper on wooden blocks. Really, it's so easy, and the sapelli species is not so hard, so it's quite easy to clean it up. Done, and again calipers, squares, etc. Yes, because this time is not so easy. Like you see, these 5 rectangles is you need to transfer this marked areas to the wood, and it's not straight. It's sorry, I don't know the English name of this word. Okay, so just look what I'm doing now. I'm using the square, and I'm trying to find right position, and then I'm using caliper to add second line. I think it should work. And then we can jump to the drilling machine and remove some wood. That's right. And like you see, the clamp is not the clamping of this. Okay, I'm trying to clamp this this piece only one position in the middle of the clamp, so there should be parallel to the fence. I think so. But of course the middle holes, it's easy. Then the last one on the left and on the right side is more you have some more trouble. And this one is okay. This one in the middle, it sucks. I need to clean it up with chisels and add some wedge. Okay. And like you see on the table, there is so many pieces. And it's not all. But it shows you that this... Okay, thank you for your attention, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you next time. Bye bye.